In today's video, I will be doing some price analysis on Voyager. I will check out both the BTC, USD and the Ethereum pairs. We will have a look at some potential areas that you could invest and then some targets going forward. So first up, smash that like button, make sure that you are subscribed, and let's crack on. So hello and welcome to Operation Crypto. In this video we will start off by checking out some general market sentiment before we then jump into some analysis of Voyager. This is a Bitcoin market dominance chart. This level was a key area up at 62%. That was support for Bitcoin dominance. We did lose that level. We took a while to then fall down, and then pretty much from the 19th of March where I've been in free fall, the next level of support for Bitcoin dominance was 57%. And again, we have lost that. I was considering the fact that we could go sideways here for a while before we lost it, but it looks like we're losing this level straight away. Binance Coin is pumping. Ethereum BT is not quite broken out yet, but there's some big alt movements. If you look at BNB there, bloody what, that's $600 up, $600 per asset. So that is driving Bitcoin dominance down as well. The next key level of support is 52%. I think once we get down there, and if we do lose that, we're into my retirement zone, because I think anything below 52% will be absolutely massive for altcoins. We've not been down to 52% since, I mean, the last time I was below that was pretty much July 2018. So things are starting to get heated up. Things are starting to get very, very tasty. So let's start having a look at Voyager. That's a general market sentiment. Lose this level and you will know about it, because all alts, including Voyager, will be absolutely pumping. So Voyager token, which is ticker VGX, it is also on Binance as BQX. It's just not changed that ticker from a few years ago. So the asset, $5.63. We are 28% up on today's trading. If you're looking at the maximum supply here, just shy of 223 million, and all of those coins are in circulation. We have a market cap of $1.2 billion. We are ranked number 87 out of all cryptocurrencies. It is worth noting that this product has been up to $10 as the all-time highs, and that was back in the bull run of 2017. So we've not been back up to those levels since, but we will start to push up there very, very soon. One key point here, we'll just have a look at the volume where we're getting traded most. So we're on Binance, Uniswap, Atomars and HitBTC, getting predominantly most of the volume against BTC. I would personally recommend that you use Binance. If you're not on Binance and you're looking to get hold of some Voyager, you will find the link for that in the pinned comment and the description. But it's getting a whopping 86% there. I'm not too sure if Binance does have a USDT pair, but we'll have a look at that in a second. So that is some of the key stats. What I'm going to do now is jump into some price analysis. I will start off on the USDT pair, but then we'll go through the BTC and the Ethereum pair. So this was a bit of a an investment opportunity Fibonacci I put on last time. I was expecting a major pullback from this level, and that's what we've got. We've had that 61% retracement level, and that was the place to buy. I think it is always a good place to buy if you're looking for assets that have done major pumps and looking for a retracement. Target that 618 level, because you'll be astounded how many times it hits. But that is over now. That's previous TA. This is the daily time frame. Look at this here. This is a MACD. We've had a bullish cross on the moving averages there, and the histogram has now ticked up into bullish territory. We was bearish from the 2nd of March, so that's pretty much 5-6 weeks now of bearishness. That selling pressure is now over. We have started to tick to the upside. Things are looking good. RSI around 63%. We want that to start pushing up into the red and stay in the red and get onto some price increase towards an all-time high. So I'm going to do most of the TA in the 4-hour time frame here. Currently the RSI is overbought, but like I say, that is nothing to worry about. When we get in price rises, we want it to stay in the red and stay up there. But let's have a look at some potential investment opportunities if the market does allow. I know this move may get a pullback at some stage, so let's have a look at the entire move. So we'll take it from the bottom here. In fact, we'll use that bottom there. From the bottom there to that top wick where we hit $6 and rejected. So if we are looking for buys, personally, I would target this level at 524, but also ladder some orders down. So if you're looking for potential ladder points, use these fib levels as ladders. So you could place some orders down at $470, $5, and then $529. You might not get them all picked up, but I think that's definitely some good levels for you to target if you are looking to invest. So pretty much you could cover that entire area, place some orders laddered down. For example, if you have $100, maybe put 33 there, 33 there, 33 there, and that will give you an average order. If all of them pick up, then happy days. The average order will be a win around the middle. But it depends how bullish you are on the asset. If you're looking to hold this long term, I'd just buy anything around these levels and just hodl. RSI is looking overbought, which is okay. MACD looking quite bullish. We've been bullish on this pretty much since the 7th of April, 3 days ago. So things are quite looking good on that. We was in a downtrend, so we have broken out of that downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. You could say we broke out of it around here, pop up to the upside, and things are looking good there. So that is the areas to invest. If you're looking for targets though, we need to really have a little bit of a zoom out onto a daily and have a look at the yearly high. So I think that is a first major point there. If we just put horizontal ray on, $7.80, that is the first target to go for. I think once we do push up there, then we can start looking at $8, $9, and then $10 as the all-time high to pretty much target for some either profit taking, or depending on how you feel, just hold on for dear life and hope you get up to, I don't know, $15, $20 at some stage, because we do know this market is bullish. We are in the middle of a bull cycle, so things could get very tasty and keep pushing up and up. So that is some price analysis on the USD pair. If you look at a BTC pair, which is getting predominantly most of the volume, remove some old TA. So this is the move on the daily time frame. Again, we was on a downtrend, which we have seemed to have broken out of now. It took a while, but we have popped up to the upside. Looks like we've rejected off this area at 10,000 satoshis. I think if we do push above 10,000 sats, things will start to look good. But if you look at a 4-hour time frame, this is where you're going to pretty much target your buys if you're looking in the Satoshi pairs. So here in the Satoshi pairs, you can target 382, 50%, and the 618 level. So that's at 8,656 sats, 8,257, and 7,858. So there are your three levels if you're looking to buy in. Depending how bullish you feel on this asset in yourself and how much your research has paid off, then pretty much place them where you wish. But they are three levels which I would consider a good buy zone. If we just want to zoom back out and have a look at this on the daily, have we got the all-time highs in BTC? Let's look at them weekly. Yes, we have. So if you look at that wick, that will have been the all-time highs at, where's the trend line? Horizontal ray. So that was up at 90,000 satoshi. So we've got a long way to make up before we get them all-time highs. In terms of a price percentage, let's have a look at that. From current prices there, 1,000% before we get to all-time highs. And a lot of altcoins do look the same as that. If you take a look at pretty much most altcoins that was around in 2017, they're massively undervalued in the BTC pairs. So that is just some buy zones. If you're looking for targets, you can look at these extensions. I think 10,000 sats is the first major target, and then you could even look at this level, which has been the recent highs, which you could call the local top at 1,500 sats. So two major levels there to look at targeting for profit taking. And then finally, the Ethereum pair. I know some people do trade in Ethereum. We'll just have a look at some quick buy zones here before we wrap the video up on the 4-hour time frame. So if you're looking to buy in GUE, which is the Ethereum's version of Satoshis, then you can look at this level here, the 382, which is at pretty much 24,135, all the way down to 21,822. So again, it's three levels, ladder some within around the area, and you might get lucky. Price is looking very bullish today, up 14% on the USDT pair. So things are looking very good. So that's going to do it for today's analysis. That is just some investment opportunities in all three pairings of Voyager. If you're not already, then make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.